DOGECOIN, Doge, cryptographic money with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished on the off chance that a digital currency has solid local area support. Brought into the world as an internet image, DOGECOIN shows how a straightforward joke might increment in worth and come to a $18 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the DOGECOIN example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost expectation. DOGECOIN origin and purpose. DOGECOIN was planned utilizing the codebase of Litecoin, and its improvement was pointed toward giving an option in contrast to Bitcoin. It ought to have been a more receptive and cordial digital money. Its most particular element, nonetheless, is its mascot. The designers of DOGECOIN picked a good times approach towards its turn of events. DOGECOIN was somewhat changed when created as a fork of Litecoin. New blocks in the Doge blockchain are made quicker than in Litecoin 1 moment against 2.5 minutes in LTC. DOGECOIN's mining trouble is changed each block found and the award is fixed. The most particular change occurred in the brand and it turned into a main thrust behind its ubiquity. The tomfoolery picture of the crypto helped this image token to stand out in different web-based entertainment. The coin turned well-known even external the local area of blockchain innovation fans. DOGECOIN, Doge, price analysis. 2018 was an extreme and negative year for Doge. Comparatively to the next market, DOGECOIN cost brought down by the deficiency of the public's consideration. DOGECOIN cost was in a downtrend for all of 2018, notwithstanding the multiple times the DOGECOIN cost was going up for a brief time frame. Today, the drawn-out DOGECOIN conjecture isn't extremely brilliant. During the value falls of March, July, and September, DOGECOIN was falling alongside the market. The Doge cost drop isn't however awful as it seems to be for Bitcoin, and the cost spikes after the downtrend show that Doge was recuperating quicker than BTC. DOGECOIN is clearly extremely reliant upon the general interest in the blockchain business and acts like the majority of different coins. Examine the cryptocurrency price predictions recordings distributed on our site. For instance, Zcash and Bitcoin Cash, the two coins reflected the Bitcoin cost diagram. Because of the way that Doge relies upon the digital currency market developments, anticipating its cost becomes troublesome, particularly in the long-term. In expansion to DOGECOIN, there are other cryptographic forms of money that can carry cash to their proprietors, the best digital currency to put resources into 2022 for long haul. DOGECOIN trend analysis. DOGECOIN notoriety was exceptionally steady throughout the span of the earlier year. You can see on the accompanying chart that the coin even figured out how to get a pursuit term DOGECOIN spike in notoriety. The coin was exceptionally fascinating for Google clients with regards to January 2018. 2 or 3 less critical pinnacles occurred in July and December. Toward the beginning of 2019, the ubiquity was around a similar level as it was in a similar time of 2018, which is a significant achievement regarding the business emergency happening today. Doge is generally possessed, and the local area individuals look to involve their DOGECOINs in regular day-to-day existence. As of late added Bitrefil's Airbnb installment choice is a genuine model. The cost of DOGECOIN isn't extremely receptive to media consideration. For instance, the report about Airbnb caused a cost ascend against United States dollars by 3% north of 3 days after the declaration. As per Google Trends, Doge has a serious crowd and is most famous in Venezuela. Like Dash, Doge ended up being one of the go-to cryptos in nations where the monetary framework is battling. Different nations with a lot of DOGECOIN look incorporate Bangladesh, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Nigeria. It is a decent sign that the coin is utilized as an option, in contrast to the authority government-issued types of money of these nations for financial. August 2022, DOGECOIN price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Doge cost will be exchanged at $0.092 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the DOGECOIN worth to 10 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.089 in August 2022. Doge price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined DOGECOIN costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022, $0.095. The least and pinnacle Doge rates may be $0.09211. October 2022, DOGECOIN price forecast. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Doge cost will be around $0.097. In October 2022, the DOGECOIN cost might drop to at least $0.094. The normal pinnacle worth may be 11 cents in October 2022. Doge price forecast for November 2022. Having dissected DOGECOIN costs, digital money specialists expect that the Doge rate could arrive at a limit of 11 cents in November 2022. It may, be that as it may, drop to $0.095. For November 2022, the anticipated normal of DOGECOIN is almost $0.099. December 2022, DOGECOIN price forecast. Around mid-2022, the DOGECOIN cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 10 cents. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the Doge cost could vary somewhere in the range of $0.09712. DOGECOIN price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of DOGECOIN in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of DOGECOIN will be around 15 cents. The most extreme expected Doge cost might be around 17 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 15 cents in 2023. DOGECOIN price prediction 2024 based on the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of DOGECOIN. In 2024, Doge is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 21 cents and 26 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 22 cents. DOGECOIN price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of DOGECOIN and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Doge cost could drop to 30 cents, while its most extreme can reach 37 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 31 cents. DOGECOIN price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of DOGECOIN by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Doge costs are normal in 2026, 52 cents and 45 cents. All things considered, it will be exchanged at 47 cents. DOGECOIN price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillation